Hi, this is Kumar Aryan. I did as mechanical engineering from Delhi Technical Board and currently working in ITC Food as a manager. My hobby is teaching and I am teaching from my college life, so I have vast experience of teaching math and science. I believe that book writing is just like classroom teaching. Through a book can never replace a teacher, but it should make the students feel the presence of a teacher. I started writing books in pandemic period when all the education system is completely closed and a student's career is in danger. Then there is a question in my mind, why not write such a book so that they could enjoy the study with a little efforts of parents or elders. I believe in writing quality books, not believe in quantity. Dear friends, we would like to talk to you for a few minutes just to give you an idea of some of the special features of this book. This book is based on all the India and international level competitive and school exams. We have written this book in such a simple style that even the big student will be able to understand mathematics very easily. Believe me, while writing this book, we have considered myself to be the student of class 4 and tried to make contents as simple as possible. The most important feature of this book is that we have included a large variety of questions including words problems to access the learning ability of the students. This book contains IQ test question with example, words problem with examples, question based on Olympiad level and NCRT book, question based on high order thinking skill, and multiple choice questions. Please note that answers have not been given for the questions because this is a junior class book and I believe that students can copy with fear of hard work. So this book can be used as a school teacher's homework. All these features will make this book even more useful to the students as well as the teachers. A picture can say a thousand words. Keeping this in mind, a large number of colored pictures and sketches have been given in this book. This will help the students to understand the various concepts of mathematics clearly. It will also tell them how mathematics is applied in the real life. I am sure you will agree with me that the fact and formula of mathematics are just the same in all the books. But the method of representing is very different from the other books. In this book, the various topics have been explained in such a simple way that while reading this book, a student will feel as if a teacher is sitting by his side and explaining the concepts to him. I believe that after reading this book, the students will develop a special interest in mathematics. I think that the real judge of my book are the teachers and students, so we request you to point out my mistakes and send these comments and suggestions for the further improvements of this book. Wishing you a great success. Yours sincerely, Kumar Aryan. Thank you. All the best.